Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm CryptoMina. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you are doing well. The chances are if you are in cryptocurrency, you must have heard about MetaMask. Let's today talk about what is MetaMask and how we can use it. MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet and it can be used on Chrome, Opera, browser, Firefox, even Brave browser. It is a browser extension which works as a bridge between a browser and Ethereum blockchain. So you can manage your account's keys with it. You can broadcast your transaction, which means that you can send and receive Ethereum-based cryptocurrencies and tokens. And it is secure and it is decentralized, and you can use it on the desktop using a web browser and also using your mobile app. So for this, you have to download the MetaMask extension. Right now I'm on the metamask.io website. So if I go to download now, since I'm on the Chrome, it will give me option for Chrome, and here I'm going to click on install MetaMask for my Chrome, and then I'm going to click on add. It is going to give me an alert telling me that because I'm adding an extension, what it can do. So it can modify data, you copy and paste. Anyhow, I'm going to click on extension. I'm good with that. All right, so now it's going to ask me to get started. All right, so I want to show you one thing. Once you add this, you can go to this 3 dots on your Chrome browser, and if you go to more tools and extension, you can see all the extensions you have added to your Chrome browser. So anything you don't need, you can go ahead and delete it, and you can see the MetaMask is here, so which is good. In case you don't want it anymore, you can remove it from here. Anyhow, let's get started. So on the first page, it gives you 2 options. It's asking you, are you the first time MetaMask user? In that case, you have never used a MetaMask and you will need a new wallet. So that will be this option here. If you already have a wallet and all you want to do is just open up that wallet, you can do that. The only prerequisite is you need to have a seed phrase for that, which is a 12-letter seed phrase. If you know your seed phrase, you can enter it here and it will open the wallet. I'm going to create first a new wallet on the Chrome using the Chrome extension, and then I'm going to go to my Brave browser, download MetaMask extension, and then open up the same wallet which I have just created. So okay, let's get started. I'm going to create a wallet by clicking on here. It will tell what they do and what they will not do. So for example, they will not collect the addresses, any personal information or full IP address, and they do not sell the data. All right, I agree to this, and they are going to ask me to create a password which will open this wallet. After I create or select a password, I can do anything I want as long as it is minimum of 8 characters. And then I'm going to click on agree on term and condition and click on create. All right. So as soon as I do that, it's going to give me a secret backup phrase. So this is very, very important. This is your key to your wallet. If you share it with somebody, that person can get access to your wallet and do anything with the wallet. Can take all the money and move your tokens, whatever. So this is very important that you keep this phrase very safe. So if I click on it, it's gonna reveal secret words, which is a 12 words sequence in a specific order, and they tell you to memorize this phrase. I don't know about you, I can't even recall what I had for dinner last night, so memorizing phrase is difficult. I bet you have to write it down. Write it down on a piece of paper with a pen or pencil. Make a couple of copies. Store them in different places. If you want to store one at your house, do that. Store the other one at your parents' house, sibling house, or some very close friend, or in a storage box somewhere different. So just in case there is a flooding or fire or anything, or you lose it, you have other backups. And better not save it on your computer because that's not very safe. Anyhow, if you click, let me just copy this one. So if I click on next, it will ask me to put in all the backup phrase in a the order that they showed me in the first page. So they are just confirming that I know my seed phrase and I have written it down. So make sure you do that. All right, so after you do that, here you have your newly created wallet. And that's it. So simple interface. Right now, because I created a new wallet, there is nothing inside it. Ethereum 0 and equivalent to 0 USD. And yeah, on the top of this, if you click on this, this will show you your address. This is your public address. Think about this as the address, the mailing address. So if somebody wants to send you a letter or mail, they need to know your mailing address. So this is the mailing address. You can share it with people. That's why it's called public address or the address. So somebody needs to know this to able to send you. If somebody's sending you a cryptocurrency, they need to know this address. So definitely this is safe. You can share it. The secret or private key is something like your key to your house. You don't want to give it to anybody, especially the stranger, because if they have the key to your house, they can open up your house and probably take everything in there. So the private seed phrase, 12 letter or private key is very important. You have to keep it safe and away from everybody else. Okay, now as I mentioned, we have created a wallet. I'm going to do the same thing on the Brave browser. So I'm on the Brave browser. It's asking me to add the extension to the Brave browser. I use Brave browser quite a lot. I really like it. And if you're not using it or do not have it, I suggest you do that. Okay, so here I am. Now it's asking me same question. Is it the first time I'm creating a MetaMask or I have it? Let's suppose I want to open the same wallet that I have opened on the Chrome right here. All I need to do is click on, now I have already the seed phrase, and click on import. This will show you how important it is to keep your seed phrase secret. Because if I know the seed phrase, I can access your wallet. Anyhow, I just put in the seed phrase. If I click on show seed phrase, it will show you the seed phrase. And then I can choose a password. So every time I don't have to enter the seed phrase, I can just enter the password and get access to my wallet and anything in it. So congratulations, I have my wallet open. All right. The thing that I want to show you is, so right now I'm on the Brave browser, and if I click on this one, click on a clipboard, and it copies the public address. And if I'm going to paste it here, this is my public address. And if I go back to my Chrome browser and copy the address and show you, so these two addresses are same. So they're exactly identical. This means they are the same wallet. So right now it is 0 Ethereum in there, but if there is something in here, it will show or it will be reflected on the other one as well. So the bottom line is MetaMask is safe to use as long as you are downloading the correct extension and keeping your seed phrase close to you. So it is free. The only thing is that because the gas prices are way too high, so whenever you are sending any transaction, you're sending somebody or doing any kind of function using MetaMask, it costs gas. And gas costs money, so that's when it becomes expensive. Otherwise, to create a wallet, there is none. You can create as many wallets as you want. If you just want to keep them separate, for whatever the reasoning behind it, you can do that. Alright, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy investing, and I will see you soon. Bye.